And the Radson Law Group, the entity of people here, are not here for a job. It's a mission for them to push this case and make a difference in these people's lives. The philosophy here is that we get the case, we get the best experts in the world, we do the best legal research that we can possibly do, and when we file that case, we know every weakness, every strength, and we push cases, we try to get cases resolved as quick as we can, because the case either needs to settle or it needs to go to a verdict. And the quicker that we do that, the quicker it helps the patient, the plaintiff, the family get the help that they need. Medical malpractice is really, really kind of the brain surgery of law, because there's the legal side to it. You have to know the law and the procedure and the evidence, but you also need to know the science. And very few people do what we do, which is gather as much knowledge as we can about the science and the medicine and the pharmacology. And we're able to channel all that information, gather it all, and present it to jurors and laymen and judges in a manner that's digestible, that's easy to understand, and that's really advocating for on their behalf. Clients need to realize that this is their one shot. They're not going to be able to, if they don't like the result, come back in 6 months and say, well, let's have a do-over. This is the one chance that they get to put on their case, to do a good job, to show the world that they're worthy and that their cause is worthy, and that the doctor or the defense company or the defendant really did make a mistake. When I get involved in a case is I get to know the plaintiff. I get to know the person I'm representing, and not just know them like what their names are, their kid's name, but I go to their house. I sit in their living room. I want to see what their struggles are like on a daily basis. It's important for me as an attorney to get to know them so that when I'm advocating for them, I feel like I've got a vested interest in it. I feel like that the case is partly mine, and that their struggles are mine, and that their financial security is on the line because of everything I have to do and have to say in front of a court, in front of an expert, in front of a jury.